Hi there. Are you Peter?
Yes. Hi, you must be Nigel.
Oh, yes.
Nice to meet you.
Hope to meet you
Yeah.
too.
All right, so I got all the papers here for signing. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to take a walk through the rental unit because my tenants are in there till the end of the month, so no big deal.
That's too bad. I've only seen the photos online. I wanted to see it in person before signing the contract.
Nigel, look, I know you're new here, so trust me when I'm telling you this is an amazing deal. Okay, it's way cheaper than the other units in the market. There's a lot of people wanting to rent this place. So either you sign today, or you might lose your chance.
You know what? My wife and kids are moving in soon, so I do need to find a place as soon as I can.
All right, that's why I'm here. How about this? You can move in as early as next week. I'll just need your first month's rent, let's say 3 months security damage deposit. So what is that? 4 months rent total, you pay that in cash. The unit's yours.
Can I have some time to think about it? Discuss with my wife?
Okay, Nigel, look. I already told you there's other people wanting to rent this place. You either sign today or you're gonna lose your chance.
If something feels too good to be true, it probably is. Here are some steps you can take to protect yourself. Slow down and give yourself time to think. Scammers will try to make you make quick decisions. Do careful research. Check to confirm all the facts. Search online. If in doubt, ask questions and get opinions from friends, family, counselors, or the police. Never give or send money to someone you don't know or trust.
Guess who just got an interview?
Hey!
That's strange. I never applied for this job or even heard of this company before.
Maybe you apply and just forgot.
No way. I keep track of every job I applied for. It says they're an overseas company. They saw my resume online. I want to schedule an online interview.
Just be careful. If they ask for money or personal information at the start, then something is wrong.
Don't worry. I'll research the company and give them a call later too. Okay, dear, I've got to go get ready.
All right.
See you
then.
later soon.
Well, that's the end of the interview, Sarah. We think you'd be a great fit for the job. Do you have any questions for us?
There's one thing. I tried looking up the company's website and calling the number there, but I couldn't get much information or reach anyone.
Well, as I said, we are an overseas company opening a new office. We don't have everything set up yet, but I promise if you check back later, you'll find more information.
Well, the position does sound perfect. I'm just surprised a part-time job would pay this much. And you said I can work from home too, right?
That's right. I'm glad you like the offer, Sarah. Now, if you don't have any more questions, all we need is your social insurance number and your banking information. For your first job, we'll send you a check to deposit. Some will be your pay, the rest you'll help us transfer to a client. Sound good?
Hello?
This is Officer Jordan Smith with the Canada Revenue Agency. I'm calling because there's a criminal case against you for tax evasion.
I owe money, but I filed my taxes already.
Yes, ma'am, but you still owe money, and the police are going to come to your house if you do not pay.
The police? Am I under arrest?
You will be if you don't pay right away. You owe $1,200.
I don't have that kind of money. I'm a single mother.
Yes, ma'am, it is very serious. You will be arrested and your children will be alone. Do you want that?
No! The police? Okay, how do I pay?
If you are a victim of a scam, it is okay. You should report the crime right away to keep others from falling for similar scams. You can file scam reports with the following agencies: the Canadian Anti-Fraud Centre, CAFC, at 1-888-495-8501 or www.antifraudcentre.ca. Your local police. All involved financial institutions. You may need to change account numbers, PINs, bank cards, and place a fraud alert on your credit report. Be aware that most scams are online. Recognizing potential scams prepares you to make smart decisions in the future.